Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I want to say sorry for the uploads. I know they're not very consistent, but I've been super busy with a bunch of different things, so I hope you understand. But anyways, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can use the blur tool in Photopea and what exactly it does. It's a pretty handy tool. It's right over here. It looks like a little water droplet. So you can right click on that and you can see it also has the sharpen and smudge, but I'm just going to go over the blur tool. So click on that and there's two settings up here. You got the size, hardness, and what kind of stroke it's going to be. So I'm just going to make the size big enough to make a difference. So about this much is pretty good. And the hardness, I'm just going to leave that as 100. The strength is how much it actually blurs when you go over it. It's nice to start kind of low and then just keep stroking over it. And it's more efficient, you could say. But anyways, all you want to do, you'll see your cursor turned into a big circle. So when you hold left click or just tap, it'll start to blur whatever you go over. So it's good for if you only want to blur certain spots. So say we want to blur everything besides the boats, you can do that. So I'm just going to keep going over this, and the more you go over a certain area, the more it's going to blur it. So keep that in mind. So I'm just going to keep dragging around everywhere. The background, all of it except for the boats. And if you turn the strength up, it'll blur more. So you just keep dragging until you achieve what you want, which I would say I have. So you can see everything else is blurred besides the two boats, and that's exactly what we wanted. It's really nice when you're trying to just blur a certain area, not the whole thing. Like going up the filter and blur, it'll blur the entire image, and that's not what we want. So that's why we have the blur tool. So hopefully you guys found this useful. I know it's a short video, but I wanted to get this out to you guys so you know what's going on and to help you guys out because this is a really cool tool. So hopefully you guys can utilize this more in the future. But thank you guys for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.